What's the next? What are you cooking, Summer?
I'm cooking pasta and I'm cooking this.
What's that? What's that? It's the...
It's my
Hmm?
sour food.
Serve food. Okay, what's the next one? Can you help me put this tomato, please?
Okay.
Okay, stir it gently.
Hello everyone.
How are you doing?
Cooking.
Do you love cooking?
Yeah.
What's your passion in life?
Make the colors perfect.
Oh, make the colors perfect. What else is your passion in life?
Decorating things.
Oh, wow. Me too. I like decorating things. What else? How's your pasta?
Who says salt and rice?
I think it's Lola.
She always says.
Okay, the next one will be the mushroom, please.
Thank you everyone.
Stir it a little bit. I think we should add fire. More fire. You okay? No idea. No idea. How is it?
Good.
Good. It smells good now?
Yeah.
Yeah. You cooking?
Can you help me cook, please?
Okay.
What ingredients next?
I think we need to put some herbs.
Okay.
Some herbs. Pepper first. Wait.
Enjoy your meal. Can you just save some for me so that I can taste your cooking later?
Some Italian herbs.
Can you save some for me later?
Italian herbs. And
You're a good cook.
salt.
Can you kiss the cook? Chef Summer. The wonderful Chef Summer.
Okay.